We are at César. We are in our model unit here at César. I'm at the front entryway. Right now, I may have just parked my car in the covered garage right here. You get 2 parking spaces. And I'm looking at this lovely wide hallway. Right over here, we have our living room. And to our right, we have our dining room. I love the living room because it's looking out at your private pool. I don't know how many villas have a private pool. To our right, we have stairways up to 3 bedrooms upstairs. We have these lovely floor-to-ceiling doors that open up to your private pool again. You have your little seating area. You can sit out and relax. Now we're walking into our massive kitchen, guys. Look at the size of this kitchen. It has 2 sinks. We have an island over here, and then basically another table that comes out and another sink over here to create the kitchen space. Over here, you're going to have a lovely breakfast bar. You can have a nice circle table. You may even want to put a bar right there and have some stools. I'm not sure. So now we're walking into what is considered the 4th bedroom. It's a 4th bedroom because right over here we have a full closet and a full bathroom. All right, so that means if you have any people who can't manage the stairs, there is a bedroom for them with a full bathroom. Again, you're going to have those doors that open up to your lovely private pool. I also want to mention that there's a boundary wall around the whole villa, so it's super private. So you're in your pool, nobody's looking at you. It's almost like a house in a complex. It's basically what it is. So now we're going back into the kitchen breakfast bar area. I'm going to take you into the laundry room. That must be like 3 times the size of my bathroom at home. Oh, this is a lovely pantry I showed you before. That basically can walk through the pantry into your dining room. So now we're walking into the laundry like I told you. You have a door that leads to this backyard area. You're looking at grass over here. As I said, massive laundry room. And then we're in our staff accommodation here with a full bathroom. So plenty of room. So if you don't have staff, could be another little office space. All right, guys. So that is ground floor at César. Check out Natalie for the upstairs tour.
So we're at the top of the stairs at this beautiful César 4-bedroom villa. Stairs where you have these 2 beautiful windows giving you great amount of light and a big wide space to be able to go from the bedrooms. So we're going to enter the master bedroom now. So yeah, as we enter the master bedroom, it has tray ceilings. It is very big. It has a lovely balcony off the side with huge glass doors, if you can well imagine. And you step outside here to massive privacy. Sorry about the noise, but that's how it is on an active construction site. The balcony extends over to the right, and you can take advantage of these fabulous views. So we're going to head now to the master bedroom closet. So you walk through here. It's a bit dark now because there's not much light on. And you can see there's a his and there's a hers, or the other way around, depending on who has more clothes. So we head into the master bathroom, and the focal point of the bathroom is to have this lovely bath right in the center here. And looking out, it's going to be super private because they're going to have a retaining wall, and you can hang some lovely plants on that. And then over on this side is your shower and your toilet. And as we move around, there is your double sink over there with your fabulous, you can imagine your glass, your mirror here, your light sconces, and you're washing your hands right here. So we move from the master bedroom, which is huge, as I say, very nice. Make our way back through. Gotta love this window. Love how it's that rectangular way. We're back into the area where we came up on the steps. As you follow me through to my favorite other bedroom, which is this one, the one on the left. Why do I like it? It has these 3 beautiful windows. Look at this window, fabulous. You can choose to put your bed this way or this way, it depends on what you like. They give you a full walk-in closet right here, which is totally adequate for this room. And there in here is your bathroom, your toilet, your shower, and your sink, and a window. Very nice. So we come back through, and we're heading back to the landing space into the 3rd bedroom upstairs. And again, we do have 3 lovely windows here. 1, 2, 3, bed here or here, it's your choice. Then this one you walk through, so you have an L-shaped cupboard, very nice, into your bathroom where wash hands, mirror, toilet, shower. So that's it. Please come. You will miss out. This is one of the best villas on the market in Kingston 6, in my humble opinion, having been in this market for over 12 years on Millsborough Avenue. And for anybody who really wants to live in luxury and privacy, this is a place for you. The César.